How you doing this morning, Len?
Hey, Corey. Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Why don't you share with everybody what is happening, first of all, with your results?
Well, first of all, thank you, Yoli Founders, for choosing me as one of the test trial participants. I really, really appreciate that. In less than a week and a half, I've lost 16 pounds.
What?
And 2 inches around my waist, at least. I haven't measured in
Can you just repeat that? Because I think some people are dumbfounded.
16 pounds in basically a week and a half.
Wow! And what kind of response are you getting?
Well, just like a lot of the other members and teammates, we're posting our information on Facebook, and we're getting a lot of responses on that, comments, inbox messages. People that don't want to put it on, on the front page, they message me, and I've got dozens of people that have looked at the webinar, and I've had lots of people, that I talk to locally, and of course, out of state and out of town, and they are loving the results that I'm getting. They want to get it too.
This is funny. Even your mom said, "That's too fast." I was showing the post on Facebook, and then you said, "Mom, there's less of me to love, but I'm feeling great and not going hungry." Oh, wow. Are you just having a blast? You must be having a blast.
Oh, it's great. It's great. It's an easy guidelines to follow. Just like a lot of people, I love food, and a lot of my activities circle around food and drink, just having a good time. And this is really teaching me how to really identify, that aspect of my life and how I can control food. And it's really giving me the nutrition I need, and what you said before in other calls, that food cycling, it really teaches your body how to become like a fat-burning machine. I'm not hungry, and if I'm a little bit hungry, I just eat a little bit more protein.